Maken is a professional designer and manufacturer of interactive kiosks, digital signage, commercial display stands, and senior OEM and ODM projects. Founded in 2006, Maken has over 18 years manufacturing experience. Maken's products have been exported to more than 90 countries and regions around the world, used in different industries such as transportation, government, retail, hospitality, education, entertainment, etc. Maken has a headquarter and an industrial park, with an independent R&D center and an engineering department. Maken provides one-stop product design services including product design, engineering, electrical hardware, and software development, product reliability test. In Maken Industry Park, we provide one-stop in-house manufacturing from sheet metal processing, secondary operation, powder coating to assembly. The investment of advanced production equipment and automatic technology enables us to produce products of outstanding quality and high efficiency. Our production capacity can not only meet the needs of large-scale production, but also provide you with customized production in small batches. Maken is an ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificated company. We are committed to standardization to maintain high quality. We work with professional testing labs for the certificates such as ROS, REACH, CE, and FCC. Walk into the factory, you can understand the main production processes and manufacturing processes of Maken, and then understand our lean pursuit of quality and the full return of your trust and entrustment.